Hello everyone, my name is Matthew Lamons and I'm the founder of Skejul. Skejul is the cloud-based artificial intelligence platform that takes the guesswork out of planning and managing activities. Skejul is designed to deliver on that fascinating promise of AI to simplify the future. Not just someday, but right now, by giving each of us a common platform that makes sharing time and experiences with each other simple, seamless, and natural. I invite you to join me by investing in Skejul. Let's keep it simple. Scheduling the way we do it now sucks and everybody knows it. It's ridiculous that it basically takes a meeting to set up a meeting. It's so hard that it often takes 3 days to coordinate a 3-person meeting. What's worse is then you have to wait 4 more days for the meeting time to arrive. Right now, the busier you are, the more data you have, and the harder it is to coordinate with others. The bottom line is, scheduling this way wastes time, it's frustrating, makes us duplicate work, delay decisions, and delay getting things done. Skejul simplifies the future. You pick the people, and Skejul's AI instantly predicts a time when everyone can get together. The busier you are, the more data you'll have, and the better Skejul works. Our solution makes scheduling easier, faster, reducing the process from days down to minutes. Skejul automation can save you weeks of wasted time. No more week-long email exchanges, double booking, calendar sharing, and wasted effort. Skejul optimization empowers people to spend time on what matters most, while taking full advantage of open time slots. The Skejul solution has a strong value proposition for a very large market. The annual continuous flood of meetings, appointments, and services, numbering in the hundreds of billions, need Skejul automation, and the financial impact is global in scale. The Skejul solution simplifies the future by combining AI with real-time communication. Our deep learning models are customized to be smart from the start when you connect your Google, iCal, or Outlook calendars. We can get even better with the right kind of data to work with. This is why we're putting the power of Skejul AI into a beautiful consumer app and an API that will power key sectors around the globe. The Skejul ecosystem will allow you to schedule anything with anyone at any time. Our consumer app provides the interface for you to set, see, and share all the activities of life, work, and play with other people and even with service providers and businesses that you have relationships with. The Skejul API will distribute our core intelligence products to software providers in industries ranging from healthcare, consumer services, financial services, CRM systems, and call center operations. Any software product that deals with time and people can benefit from Skejul with more automated and optimized scheduling. The PreSeed funding brings these solutions to the market. We're excited. We have great traction and a completed minimum viable product producing compelling proof points to drive us forward. People are really busy and only getting busier. And one early snapshot of our database had over 150,000 connections, 5 million people interactions with 7 million participant hours. This supported our hypothesis that people had a sizable digital resource of activity data that would support a data science approach to solving this problem. Next came the hard part, but also the most exciting work that we did last year. We created custom deep learning technologies that are far superior than our wildest dreams when making predictions of when activity should occur. Our current models are 150 times better than the uninformed guessing that usually kicks off the email ping pong game currently used to coordinate activities. This result is a game changer for our company in our ability to provide a delightful experience to members and guests. Finally, we needed to verify that we could attract and build a community of fans that need Skejul and were willing to pre-activate their accounts, supplying data to our AI models. With just word-of-mouth engagement on LinkedIn, we're excited to report that we have a growing Skejul membership from over 25 countries around the globe. These successes give us the confidence to ask you to back us with your investment. Skejul is really smart technology and could not be easier. All you have to do is select the people that you want to meet with. Within milliseconds, Skejul recalls, refreshes, and rebuilds model recommendations for when that activity is likely to take place. adding people obviously changes the recommendations. You're not seeing everyone's calendar, just the predictions as intelligent recommendations for when everyone would like to get together. Select the recommended option and you're sending a meeting invitation that is highly likely to be accepted by others. If they don't like the first recommendation for some reason, they can decline and Skejul will immediately learn, recalculate, and provide another smart prediction to the entire group. We wrap this technology in a beautiful and friendly, highly graphical user interface that you see on your phone or desktop. You've got everything you need to coordinate and plan with people. Real-time chat, Skejul AI-powered recommendations. You can even see how the event fits in with other events on your calendar and get maps for directions. Finally, you can attach media files of any kind, whether they're videos, PDFs, Excel spreadsheets, or images. I think you're going to love it. The most well-known competitor is X.AI, who has raised a substantial amount of early-stage capital at a high valuation. Their solution focuses on natural language processing. They have chosen a linguistic approach that looks at email exchanges and uses a bot called Amy to understand what people are saying to facilitate that process. Their email bot acts one-sidedly, only on behalf of the organizer. Skejul's patent-pending deep learning technology works on behalf of the entire group to find the best time and place to meet while keeping everyone's data private. Skejul activities are coordinated in real time inside the Skejul app or inside our API partner apps, not inside the quagmire of email. Skejul's advantage comes from a fundamentally different approach to solving this problem that is data-centric and leverages deep learning AI to learn the context features that influence decisions in negotiating the date and time for activities. Because of this, Skejul is not just a business tool. Skejul lives where we live and empowers us to set, see, and share all the activities of work, home, and play. The X.AI email bot is for business users and priced at $17 to $59 a month. Our full-featured consumer app will be launched as a freemium SaaS product. A pro version, priced at just $10 a month, will allow members the added ability to create and manage other schedulable assets in the platform such as equipment, conference rooms, examination rooms, real estate listings. You get the idea. To summarize, our approach is fundamentally different than X.AI and other similar competitors. Skejul is a big data, deep learning AI platform. Because of this, Skejul can more quickly and easily expand past the English-speaking world to empower coordinated interactions and services around the globe. We have bootstrapped the company and made all the extensive progress you see on less than $400,000 of funding. We are now prepared to raise $500,000 of pre-seed funding to complete two core product initiatives: deliver our beta consumer app to our pre-activated members around the world, and two, prepare the Skejul API for integration in other apps and software products. The primary objectives of this pre-seed phase is to learn the following. What are the conditions that maximize Skejul organic viral growth, meaning users inviting others to the platform? And number two, what can we expect in terms of customer acquisition cost and lifetime value for both app and API customers? This is what we need to understand before scaling the company. The exciting thing about the Skejul investment opportunity is that the AI and data platform strategy is clear and simple. Capitalize on a pervasive opportunity for automation, consolidate competitive advantage with a unified data warehouse, and engage in a strategic data acquisition plan. The revenue model has clear wins early on based on immediate realized value. Monetizing these two near-term opportunities alone could generate $40 to $50 million in annual revenue. The Skejul API provides access to core Skejul AI technology for software, app, and enterprise customers and their hundreds of millions of users. Skejul Consumer Pro version is the foundation for real-time responsive interactions where people create and share their valuable time with others. Longer term, we believe the Skejul platform's growth and network effects could provide attractive and much larger long-term revenue opportunities. Skejul is a $40 to $50 million annual revenue company within 5 years with just the consumer app and API. Upon demonstrating success in this pre-seed phase of the company, we will evaluate raising a larger seed round to scale the company by adding marketing, data science, and development resources. The combination of pre-seed and seed funding will be required to achieve the results you see here. But of course, longer term, Skejul has the potential for substantially larger revenue based on using the power of AI for good for people around the world. The active activity coordination is evergreen and viral in the Skejul platform. With an engaged and rapidly growing membership, Skejul's data accumulation rate will drive technology advancements into new intelligence-based products and markets. We put together a great team to execute the Skejul plan. My background is in behavioral psychology, machine learning, and as a data science community leader. My co-founder Paul is an entrepreneur with many successful exits and has worked across tech fields such as cybersecurity and voice biometrics. Paul is a true technology visionary. Company operations are headed up by Mark Gallion, Harvard-trained, Fortune 500 executive with startup guts and determination. He is experienced in growing teams from a handful of people to over 600 in a short period of time. The technology stack is headed up by CTO Jason Ward. He's our platform architect. He's an experienced technical co-founder and has API-based products in the market. Jason is phenomenal at building the scalable technology that we need. Our data AI unit is headed up by our keenly insightful principal data scientist, Dan Vatterott. Dan has a PhD in cognitive psychology and experience in recurrent neural networks and in deep learning-based recommendation systems. Our principal data science engineer is Abhishek Nagaraja. He's phenomenal, smart, motivated, with a master's degree from the University of Illinois, magna cum laude. And he is core to our understanding of our data and then implementing our deep learning models that produce the predictions that are so impressive in the platform. I want to thank you for listening to the Skejul pitch. I'm excited and I hope that you are too, because Skejul AI technology will directly improve our daily lives. It's extraordinarily rewarding to have been recognized by respected publications and organizations for the work we're doing here at Skejul. I invite you to back us in this pre-seed round with your investment. I'm looking forward to giving our members and people from all around the world this opportunity to participate and join in the ownership of our company. And I want you to pre-activate your Skejul membership. Share this with your networks so that you can get the benefits of a Skejul friction-free way to set, see, and share all the activities that make up life, work, and play. If you have any questions about our company, please contact me, and I look forward to you joining me as we simplify the future.